How to turn on texture app on Opera Mini. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to turn on texture app on Opera Mini. First we're gonna do is go to Opera Mini and then click this Opera icon here, and now click this one and then go down until you find here this one, page layout, and click on it. And as you see here you can find this one, texture app, and just click here, and as you see texture app has been turned on. And that's how to turn on texture app on Opera Mini. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.